Welcome to my channel IELTS at Ease. The cue card we are going to discuss today is describe a person in your family that you admire. You should say who he or she is, how you know this person, what he or she is like, explain why you respect him or her. I consider myself lucky as I have many persons in my life who have a positive influence on me. Although I admire all of them, here I would like to talk about a particular person whom I revere from the core of my heart. She is none other than my mother. Her name is Simarjit Kaur and she is a housewife. Though she is in her 60s, she still looks very attractive and smart. I know her very well as I have been living with her since my childhood, so we both share a strong bond with each other. She has a number of qualities due to which everyone loves her. Firstly, she has an unconditional love for all the family members, so she sacrificed many things for the sake of her family. Also, she is an optimistic person and never loses hope. I vividly remember when I was in the senior secondary, I could not get good grades in my house test. I felt down in the dumps. That time she motivated me in such a way that I worked very hard and passed my final exams with flying colors. Moreover, she is a philanthropist. Whenever anyone asks for her help, she never denies. Since she believes in humanity, she donates a huge amount of money for the underprivileged. That is why she is not only respected by me but also by the whole society. Being a religious person, she goes to the Sikh temple daily to pay obeisance. For me, she is the perfect combination of patience and hard work because she is a kind hearted lady and never loses her temper. I have learnt many things from her in my life, and she is always there for me in my thick and thin. I have never seen such a stupendous person in my life, so I must say my mother is the person whom I adore deeply. The first question is, who is important in your family, the father or the mother? The answer is, for me, both are extremely important and they are incomplete without each other. My father is working and earning bread and butter for the family. On the other hand, my mother is a housewife and she manages everything smoothly at home. I must say their roles and duties in our home are equally important. The second question is, how should parents look after their children? The answer is, parents play a vital role in the upbringing of their children, and I believe parents should not be too strict with their children. Also, they must inculcate some moral values in their children, such as respecting elders, discipline, sharing, and caring. They must spare some time for the children and should prioritize them. The third question is, how should working parents look after their children? The answer is, it is very difficult to say because, as per me, it totally depends on the managing skills of the parents. They should know how to manage work life balance. If parents are indulged in a rat race to earn more and more money, then it becomes difficult to pay attention towards their children. Parents must give preference to their children instead of materialistic things. Only then parents would be able to take care of their children in a positive way. Our next question is, do children get enough love from their parents these days? The answer is definitely. Parents still love their children very much, but the way parents express their love has changed. Initially, they used to spend time together, hang out with their children, but nowadays, they show their love by giving them expensive gifts, gadgets such as mobile phones, computers, and laptops. So, there is a huge difference in the way they show their love and affection for their children. Our next question is, how do children learn to speak? The answer is, well, they grab their speaking skills from parents. As they grow old, They try to imitate their parents and follow them. In this way, children learn how to speak. Our last question is: do you think human communication is different from that of animals? The answer is: of course. There are several differences between their communication skills. Firstly, mankind has a language, and we have words, phrases, and sentences to express our feelings, but we do not know anything about the language of animals. They communicate in a different way that we can't comprehend.